Welcome to another video from Messify.io. Now I will show you how you will get the green badget icon on your WhatsApp account. It's really simple. You need to go to business.facebook.com, go to company settings, and then under WhatsApp accounts, you will find your WhatsApp account here. There you will go under settings and open the WhatsApp manager. If you have opened the WhatsApp manager, you will go under this one and phone numbers and can choose your phone number here. Go to settings, profile, and here do you have the possibility to request the green WhatsApp checkmark. If you have any questions, you can write us an email on service@messify.io. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.